Today, we want to look at how we can launch an EA on the MT4 and MT5 chart for newbies. So, we will be using this Pips Hunter EA and the set file is given for download. Check the link in the description of this video. If you need a good VPS, ensure you subscribe to the channel and also join our Telegram channel. So, guys, we will need to install MT4 or MT5 software, and right here I will download it on my PC. Click on this logo right here. We'll click on Windows version, which you can see right here. As you can see, the EA download is in progress. Let's wait for the download to be done. Okay guys, download is done. Click on Open File and wait for the installation to come up. Click on Next and wait for the MT4 to finish the installation. I will close the installation because I already have it installed in my PC. Do so guys, let's proceed. Okay guys, the next thing we want to do is to download the EA file. Press Ctrl button and use the mouse to click on both EA and the set file to download them in zip format. Then we wait for the download to be completed. After the download is completed, the next step is to click on the Open File, then the RAR folder file will show up, then click OK to open with RAR file. In the file we will copy the EA to the right folder, and the set file also. So on MT4 click on File, the Open Data folder, then click on MQ4. Then again click on Exports with S. Then paste the EA. Right-click and paste, or drag the EA to the folder. Close the MT4 and reopen it again. Press Ctrl N. Then go to Expert Advisor. Right-click on it and click Refresh. Then drag the EA to the chart. Copy the EA set file and click on Load. Paste the EA set file in the folder and click on it. Then click Open. Click OK. Then as you can see, the EA is added to the chart. Don't forget to turn on auto trading. The EA will be smiling when it's on. It is right at the top there. Now press Ctrl R to backtest the EA. Make sure you select the EA, the pair, and the time frame you want to test. Please note that the data you will be backtesting with is not a real-time data like the one we use for backtesting. Click on Expert Properties. This will allow you to load up the EA. the way we loaded on chart the other time. Copy the set file and put it in any folder there. Now click Open and then click OK. Now click on Start, and then wait for the result to show. And as you can see, we have some result with our data. Please note that this will be a different result because we use real-time data from Dukascopy. So, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos on free Forex robots for MT4 and MT5.